What's happened here? No way. I'm gonna lose my rod here. How's that even happened? No. Well, good afternoon and welcome back to an absolutely stunning day here in Jersey. It's glassy conditions out there in the gutters and it's just super warm and super hot. Not my favourite conditions. I would love a little bit of cloud cover, but we've had one of the most miserable summers ever. We've had spells of warm weather and then stormy, breezy. Everyone can probably, you know, feel that all over the UK. It's not been the best of summers. Got to take every opportunity as it comes. Today is probably one of the last sessions we're going to probably get out after work on the kayak because the nights are drawing in, the light is fading, and that's it pretty much. So we are going to get out there. I'm going out with Chris and I'm going out with Scott, who you have seen in the videos before. And I just want to say a big thank you to everyone that watches the videos. It's been, you know, a hell of a summer. We've caught loads of fish and the fishing's just been exceptional at times. When going out on the yaks, always be safe, always wear a life jacket, always take a radio with you, and always tell someone where you're going. So get out there, enjoy it, bust some fish off the top and have fun with your mates. Laughter, smiles all around. I'm gonna get the yak ready, get it sorted out. I'm just waiting for the other boys to come and we'll go fishing. I'll meet you out there. Maybe for the last time this summer. Let's go. The camera's getting too hot, it's kind of stopping. It is bloody scorching. Checking on you. Oh no, that's a bad cast. Out of the Frosty for now. And with a little YKR. 15 gram in Brown Fantasy. Oh, it's hot. I'm just going to work this flat pretty much, let it get it out there, get it onto the bottom, and hopefully we can get into some fish. There's quite a bit of weed in the water after these big tides that we've had, so just gonna have to make do with it. Bottom. Oh no. Oh no. What's happened here? No way. I'm gonna lose my rod here. How's that even happened? No. Oh, this is really bad. Fuck's sake. How does something like this even happen? Probably lost this lure now. My glasses keep fogging up, it's so hot. Fuck's sake. There we go, I'm out. Man, it's super hot and sweaty. This is really hard work. Well, at the moment it's quite a struggle to find any kind of fish. I had that one off the top before and the little inquiry, and I've swapped over. I've nearly lost a soft plastic getting stuck on the reef. I had a problem with my rod. Yeah, so at the moment it's not living up to its expectations, so we're just moving between heads at the moment, just finding any bit of run in that to see if we can locate some fish. That is the plan at the moment. Until then, we will just be locked in and hopefully we'll find something somewhere. Oh, yep, fish on straight away. Bang! Oh! It's tiny as well. Tiniest fish ever as well. Hopefully that's the sign of something to come. That was pretty hectic. Just when I was saying we're looking for places where there might be some fish holding, and then bang, that didn't even hit the surface and that fish had it. So I must have just landed straight on top of it. All I'm doing is literally moving around. You can see these rocks that are underneath the water. Today we've got a little bit of swell that's cooking up and it's pressing the water as it, you know, washes in into this kind of bay. Not really too fond of swell, but you know, sometimes it can make things happen, sometimes it can, you know, make it poop. I'm blaming the really bright conditions at the moment, not the best conditions. It's absolutely stunning and I appreciate being out here, but yeah, at the moment it's pretty quiet. So yeah, I'm just looking for these rocky patches where there's weed below and stuff like that, and hoping that there's going to be some fish in around them, but at the moment it's been a little bit quiet so far. Maybe all the bass have moved to Guernsey because they had the G bass at the weekend and some really nice fish were caught. I know a few of the lads that have been fishing in Guernsey, you know, quite regularly, and you know, they've had some hard times, which, you know, I feel for them, to be honest, because we've had some good times. So what a beautiful day, what a beautiful day. The sun's come out, the weather is nice, but the bass are away. It's not happening tonight. Oh! How did I miss that thing? Oh, and again, oh, look at all the fish on me. Scott, in here. Oh my God, look how much bait there is in front of me. Oh, 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 oh. Did you see that? Yeah, but there were bass on it as well. The first hit was a bass. Oh, some action at last. Loads of snipe in this area and bass. Oh, did you just get hit? Oh, Robbo, look at that. Lovely area this. Shallows right out around this reef. Well, it's not going so well tonight, to be honest. It's pretty quiet. It's a bloody beautiful evening though, look at that. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. Apologies that the fishing has been rather poor. Well, we're struggling here. We are really struggling. It's been very hard work. Just speaking to my mate who just came past as well, he's only had like small fish as well. He's had a few trolling a lure behind the back, but it's too hot for that, man. The sun is going down. It is starting to cool down, which is nice, but yeah, it's quiet at the moment. Quiet. I've tried soft plastics, weedless soft plastics, like really slow finesse kind of. The YKR hasn't got the nibs. It's just so flat, and there's lots of garfish about, and a few mackerel in and around attacking the lures, but bait's been few and far between. Usually you see the bait just shimmying around on the surface, but I've not seen any, to be honest. So it's going to keep cracking on. We've got about 2 hours of light left. It has started to cool down, which is really nice. So before it was just baking and I was dripping with sweat and I'd lost all urge to just carry on. I was just sitting for a while, just not doing anything. But I'm feeling it again now. We're over a nice weedy bed. We're just starting to drift. with the tide. Hopefully it can come good. Hopefully we are saving the best till last. Where did that go? Oh, there. That wasn't even a big cast. Oh, it wasn't even a big cast, but there was a fish there. There we go. I don't know how big this is. Feels a little bit weighty. It might be the way that he's taken the lure, to be honest. We'll see. We'll see. Well, he feels all right. Proper swinging my yak around and taking line. Oh. Oh, he might be better than I am. Oh, watch my rod. He's high sticking me. Oh. You know what? It's actually quite a nice fish. Yes. Oh, he's a very nice fish. Yes. Let's see if we can get this in without... Not bad at all. First nice fish of the session. Well, at last. It's taken an absolute age to catch a fish, but just had that, gave me a really good run around, a lovely fish in the sun there. He was tanking me around. I thought it was just a small fish to start off with, but it's a lovely fish. You know, he's only like 2.5, 3 pounds, maybe 2.5, but he gave me a lovely scrap, and yeah, hopefully that is the start of things to come. Grip is perfect for putting fish back. Fish welfare is really important, and you know, these are the fish of the future, so make sure he's ready to go. Boom! At last we've got a fish, and that fish just took me over this little bit of run, eddies all over the place, and I moved back to the good old Frosty, and the 500G just absolutely, well, it got nailed, but I didn't think it was a big fish, so hopefully there's some more fish around. All right, let's get back into it. Just had to move a little bit, reposition the yak. Tide's starting to push us now, so if you drift too much, you've got to paddle more again, so everyone's struggling today. Fish on. Oh, I just got. No way! What just happened there? I just lost my Frosty. I just lost a Frosty. Moment of silence, please. I've just lost a Frosty. Are you joking me? Are you joking me? I just lost my Frosty. That Frosty had lasted me years. Just had a nice fish as well. Felt good anyway. Now I don't have any lure clips. Oh, let's have a moment of silence for the Frosty. We probably won't. Right, we'll go to a story. Oh, flipping hell. What is that? Do you hear it? Just proper sucked me up. Oh, and again. Some fish in here. Gone to this bright yellow estuary and like 3 hits and 3 casts. One of the most weirdest nights I've ever had here. Oh, come and salvage the day with another fish because it's been so dead. Right, we're going to wrap this session up very soon. Had as I keep saying, it's been soul destroying. You know, the fish have been here, but they've just not been on the chew. So we're just gonna play around in these little areas now because it's starting to get dark, and I have had some fish in these areas before, so I'm gonna just give it 15 minutes maybe in this area, maybe just go up to our left as well. Where is my lure? Yup, fish on! Oh, bang! Oh! Oh man! Oh shh! Fuck! He's only small. Oh, he's not bad. Well, that's what we came for. And my camera wasn't even facing straight. Robbo cast his lure and it hit me pretty much behind the kayak. Well, it didn't hit me, but... So I went one better and caught a fish in front of him. Oh! Oh! Mate, loads of fish here. Loads of fish here. This could turn the session around this. We're just over like a weedy area. There's nothing really to it. It's just sand straight into weed, and I've always found here, just at last light, it kind of just pops off a bit, you know. So hopefully we might get another fish. Well, this evening has been one of those sessions. All of us have connected with fish. We've had fish following. I've thrown everything at them: soft plastics, divers, Frosty, you know, any kind of surface lure, different colour. What? And yeah, they've just not really played ball. I had one nice fish, which was about 2.5 pounds, but it's been very, very frustrating, very difficult, very hard. Now, it could be because it was really sunny today, and there's not really been much bait in the water. I found little pockets of them and they've kind of dispersed very quickly. That's just how fishing is, to be honest, and you've got to take the... Yeah, you just got to take it. I don't really know what to say, to be honest. It's been just frustrating and hard, but the sun is going down. It's you know, it's getting close to darkness. Gonna have to get the head torch out soon and start paddling towards home.